Hey y'all, it's Ashley. Today we're going to use up all of those leftover deco mesh scraps. Here's everything I'm using today. Leftover mesh in every color, floral wire, a 14-inch Dollar Tree wreath frame, and a wood burning tool. I'm starting with a piece of glass and a heat-safe mat that my mom made me to protect my table. I cut a piece of masking tape into 10-inch strips so all my mesh pieces end up the same size. I'm using a wood burning tool to cut the mesh, but scissors would work just fine. This thing is a little clunky with the cord, so I keep it in an old pot, and it turned out to be just heavy enough to keep it from falling off. Mesh loves to roll up while you're cutting, so I use something heavy, like these wire cutters here, and that helps me to hold it down. Once I got into a rhythm, it really did go fast. So I'm going to hold that end down, cut along the metal ruler, and repeat. I've been wanting to use this rainbow mesh forever. And I want this wreath to have every color we see in our summer flowers. But honestly, I don't have a plan. It could be a hot mess when it's done. I ended up with 36 rainbow stripes to divide into 6 different sections. I'm going to cut every color the same way, roll after roll. It doesn't matter how much or how little you have. I only had a little bit of this blue, which gave me about 1 blue roll per section, but mixed in they're perfect. The blue and the pink are from Temu. They are cheap and it shows, but when you mix them in you can't tell. I've also got a couple of 6-inch Dollar Tree rolls. There's so much mesh on my bed. I should not have done this in my bedroom, but I went ahead and started it, so here we are. I divided everything into 6 piles and I work one section at a time. Normally I just use pipe cleaners, but I didn't have any, so I used some floral wire instead. It works, but your fingers will definitely feel it. So each piece is going to get rolled into a tube. Then I'm going to take 2 tubes, make an X, wire them together, and attach it to the wreath form. This Dollar Tree mesh is only 6 inches instead of 10, but we're just going to wire it down here at the bottom. No one will ever even see it. See? Blends right in. Let's attach the first section. So we're going to attach the first section. This is what the first one looks like done. Then this is what the second one looks like done. Here's the third, the fourth, the fifth, sixth. We're done. Because it is so full, I don't really think I should put anything else into it. What I did was make a little green bow out of some green velvet ribbon, and I tied it down here at the bottom with the really long tails. Now I've got a gorgeous new wreath, and I cleaned out a good chunk of my stash. As always, thank you for watching my video. I hope this can inspire you for your next project. If you enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. It really helps my channel. And I'll see you in the next one.